How to turn off comments on Instagram in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. Now there is two ways to do this. So firstly, what you have to do, the first way is you have to go to any of the post in your profile, and then click on the three dots in the top right corner, and then here you can see the turn off commenting in the bottom. So you have to click on the turn off commenting, and when you click on the turn off commenting, then no one can comment here. So and the second way to do this is you have to firstly click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and then click on the settings, and after that you come to the settings. You have to click on the privacy, and then you have to click on the comments in the interactions tab. You have to click on the comments, and after it's loading, here you can see allow comments from. So you have to click on the allow comments, and you can select the people you follow. It means the only people you follow can comment on your post. You can also select your followers. You can also select people you follow and your followers. So that's it, that how you can allow comments from the people you from the turn off comments. But the actual way to do this is you can turn off comments for everyone is you can firstly go to the post and then uh, turn off commenting. So click on the turn off commenting. So that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, comment below that it works. Have a good day.